Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, what's up? My name is Nikki French and I'm so excited to be doing this first impressions and a little tutorial using the new Dose of Colors in collaboration with ILUVSARAHI. Congratulations, Karen. Love that girl. She is so beautiful, talented, and super nice too, by the way. I just did a really quick unboxing on Insta Stories. I asked you guys if you wanted to see a review, tutorial, first impressions, all that stuff, and you said yes, and here I am filming a video for you guys because I'm so excited to try it and swatch it and touch them. So let me show you. This is the PR box it came in. Hey girl, hey. We have a pretty big collection. There are 6 lip glosses, 2 highlighters, and a eyeshadow palette, and all of them look so stunning. So let's get into swatching. Here is the outer packaging. This is in the color Soulmate. It's a highlighter. Be unapologetic with the luminous glow. The mineral based highly reflective highlighter smoothly and evenly layers on the skin to give you a radiant glow. And here is the actual product. Oh, I'm obsessed with this packaging. And here is the gorgeous highlighter. And let's swatch this bad boy. Ooh, feels creamy and yeah, hella pigmented. If you guys saw the video that Karen did with Sebas, you'll know what I'm talking about. Hella spicy, but this is hella creamy. And let's just go ahead and swatch it right here. Oh my lord. That's really wet looking, which if you guys have been following me a while, you know that I like that type of highlighter that's like wet looking. Oh my god, let's just go to town and really, so pretty. The next highlighter is in the color Bathe, and this at first glance looks a little bit more pinky tone, like a little bit of a pinky undertone. And let's swatch this one. Oh my god, you guys, these are so creamy. Hella creamy. Oh wow, guys. Yeah, so this does have a little bit more of a pinky undertone. Those are them side by side, equally as stunning. And now let's check out the lip colors. This is the outer packaging right here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 of their liquid lipsticks, which I love their formula. It's some of the best on the market. Again, the same sort of like nudie color. And then we have two glosses, and this one right here is catching my eye. Oh yes, look at that. So pretty. Oh, okay, so I just swatched them and they're still drying, but I will say every single color I would wear. A lot of times in these collaborations, there's maybe like 1 or 2 that are not my favorite, but legit every color is something that I would totally rock. I need to get a little better at the swatching game, but oh yes. Oh, I don't know which one I'm gonna wear. I'm really wanting to wear that color right there. Again, with this beautiful packaging and these colors, I'm so here for. All right, and here are the swatches. Oh my god, they're so buttery and creamy. I'm in love with Dose of Colors. Literally, I have not tried anything from them that wasn't phenomenal. Like across the board, their products are beautiful. And Karen, you did such a beautiful job picking out these colors, and this whole collection is stunning. So I'm sure it's gonna perform as well on the eyes, because again, Dose of Colors is just top notch. Let's try these bad boys and see what we come up with. Placing the peachy color all over the entire eye, just not up on the brow bone, but the entire eye, just to give a nice, beautiful, warm, peachy wash. Then I am going to take the brick color. I'm going to place that right inside my crease, following my natural crease, except for instead of finishing it off at the end where I typically would, I'm really extending it far, far out to give this really dramatic look. And it was actually super easy to do. I think it really has to do with the pigmentation and the blendability in these shadows, because it was super easy. And I am picking up that, you're gonna see my face a lot in this video because I was really shook with all of these colors. So I am placing, a little bit of that pearl color on the brow bone as well as the lid. Now, I didn't cut my crease very harshly, like I didn't use a concealer or I didn't prime my eye, nothing. It's just literally the shadows. They're that pigmented. And then I did that same step on the bottom, really smoked it out, because you're just going to see this color peeking through slightly, because we're going to place that blue-green color to really make it pop in the bottom. As you can see here, look at that. No, I did not
use any Fix Plus, nothing. It is just the shadow. And I did that same step where I winged it out. Now I'm using the mascara from Milk Makeup, and this is the Kush. I really like that mascara. And I'm using the Morphe lashes in Smoochy, and these have been my go-to lashes recently. I love how fluffy they are. Now, so I showed you guys this in the beginning, and I could not wait to put it on my lips because it's such a pretty color. And I'm going to be using the Morphe 8W blush palette. I just felt like I need a little bit more pink on my cheeks, just because it's like a real summer look. And then I'm going to use that Bathe, oh my God, and bathe my body in it. As I said to you before, you're going to see my face in this video. Look at that pigmentation. I almost had to put my brush in just like the tiniest bit. It was so pretty.
All right, guys, back for my final thoughts. This is, no joke, probably one of my favorite like influencer brand collaborations. I love everything, all of the colors, the formula is so creamy. Let's actually add this sparkly gloss over top because I just can't help myself. Let's do a little, oh yeah, in the center. Yeah, so I could just sit here forever and talk about how much I love this collection, but it really just, is that good. I love it. I don't know what else to say. 5 stars across the board. So good. Congratulations again to ILUVSARAHI. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share it, put that little bell on so you don't miss any notifications, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.